I've been using the Revolut eSim service through 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased take on whether it's actually worth it. Revolut's eSIM feature is built right into the app and is designed for travelers who want mobile data without the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards. Setting it up is straightforward. You just tap a few buttons and your device is connected in minutes. The coverage is solid, with support in over 100 countries and the flexibility to choose data packs based on how much you plan to use. For Revolut Premium, Metal, or Ultra users, it's a great value add, especially if you're already relying on Revolut for international payments or budgeting. Now for the downsides. This isn't available to users on the free plan, so if you're not already paying for one of the premium tiers, you can't access it. Also, it's a data-only service, so you can't make calls or send SMS directly through it, which might be a deal breaker if you need full phone functionality while abroad. And compared to standalone eSIM providers, Revolut's coverage and flexibility are slightly more limited. But if you're already inside the Revolut ecosystem and want a no-fuss way to stay connected while traveling, it does the job. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.